Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cockatiel breeding box. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need untreated plywood, which is crucial for your bird's safety, along with screws and a saw. Make sure all wood is free from chemicals or treatments. We'll aim for a box roughly 12 inches high, 8 inches wide, and 8 inches deep to provide ample space for your breeding pair. Now let's get to building. Carefully cut your plywood into 6 pieces, 4 for the sides, 1 for the top, and 1 for the bottom. Assemble these pieces using screws, ensuring a sturdy construction. Next, drill an entrance hole, approximately 2½ inches in diameter, near the top of one side panel. This allows easy access for your cockatiels. To make the box ideal, create a slight concave depression in the bottom. This helps keep the eggs together and prevents them from rolling. Also, install a small internal perch just below the entrance hole, giving the birds a landing spot. A removable lid is also very helpful for easy cleaning and checking on the eggs or chicks without disturbing the parents too much. Once your breeding box is complete, securely mount it inside your cockatiel's cage, preferably in a quiet, private spot. Remember to clean the box thoroughly after each breeding cycle to maintain hygiene and prevent bacteria buildup. You can also add a small amount of soft, natural nesting material, like pine shavings, to make it more inviting for your birds. Happy breeding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.